My name is David Tilem, and this is the law offices of David A. Tilem. This office handles bankruptcy cases both from the debtor side and from the creditor side. That means people who need financial help and people who are owed money by people who are having a tough time. We also handle litigation related to bankruptcy matters. We also handle appellate work or appeals related to bankruptcy cases, so pretty much anything having to do with bankruptcy work. This office is in Glendale, California, which is just north of downtown Los Angeles, and so we're able to handle cases pretty much from the Nevada state line to the Pacific Ocean and from Santa Barbara down halfway to San Diego. That's a pretty big area. There are 5 bankruptcy courts in this area, and we cover all of them. This is a boutique bankruptcy firm. It means we're a smaller firm. There are 2 of us, and we handle all of the main work. But we do have other lawyers who help us from time to time on an as-needed basis. We call them of-counsel lawyers. So we have a lawyer who helps us with our litigation. And if we have a larger case that requires more people, more time, it's easy for us to bring in other bankruptcy lawyers to help us. The advantage of a small law firm to me is that you get personal attention from one of the attorneys. You also get somewhat more creative feedback and assistance, which is something that we're particularly known for. But even more than that, there aren't layers of lawyers who are all charging you for the same work, and because of our size, we can afford to keep the price down. Over 30 years, we've had hundreds, maybe a couple of thousand cases. We don't do a large volume of cases, and so that's part of why people get treated individually. They don't get treated as a mass production system. My law office wants to make your time or your visit to the bankruptcy world as easy and as comfortable as possible. People who come to us are already stressed out as it is, even if they're creditors, so we want to try to make this as comfortable as possible.